Hello po.
Hello po.
Hello po.
Ano po atin?
Papasubscribe po sana ako.
Game mo to.
Sa YouTube. Ito yung channel ko. Yan po.
Sige.
Salamat po. Kasama kayo sa video ngayon. Ano pong pangalan nyo?
Huwag na, please lang.
Welcome to Gear Moto. Please like and subscribe.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread and
Hello? Oh shit.
Oh no!
Tol. Pasubscribe naman tol sa YouTube. Tol, pasubscribe.
Hey, kuya.
Sige.
Ano pangalan?
Gear Moto.
Kaya, titignan ko lang.
Sige.
Para nakikita lang ito ng mga
Ito yung channel ko, boss. Wait, okay lang ba i-post ko tong video na to sa Facebook?
Opo.
Ang ganda ng intro eh.
nice.
Gago!
Motor ba?
Gear
Motor
Moto.
lang. Ay, labang mo daw. Ito, hindi nga natin. Okay na, kuya.
Okay, thank you.
Had so many dreams. When you hit your teens, life ain't really what it seems. Try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know.
Hello po.
Hi.
Hi, good morning. Oh my God! Wow! Ma'am, pasubscribe sana ako.
What?
Okay.
Sa YouTube ko. Anong pangalan ng shop nyo?
The beer.
San po yung location nyo?
Saan? Spaghetti.
Ano po? Saan po?
Cagayan de Oro.
Cagayan de Oro. Ayun. Guys, pag napapanood nyo tong video na to, bili kayo sa shop ni ate. Post ko sa Facebook, okay lang?
Ako po.
Okay, salamat. Subscribe kayo, te, ha? Thank you.
Whatever.
Bye-bye.
I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going. I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path. If you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at. Yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want. Yeah, rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooters gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I won. Yeah. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine.
Oh shit. Hello, tol. Tol,
Hello.
tol, pa-subscribe naman.
Gear mo to, wait lang.
May YouTube ka, tol?
Wala man.
Ay, parang ano eh, kawig mo si Joseph Sabelo.
Sino yun?
Yung YouTuber na ano, sandali, i-type ko yung
Sige,
pangalan
sige.
niya. Kala ko si ano yung kanina eh. Ay shit, naglolo ko yung connection ko.
Ilan yung subscriber mo? 181?
Oh, 180, yan.
Okay. Subscribe ko.
Sige, tol.
I love you, brother. I love you.
Akala ko ikaw ito, oh. Ito.
Saan man?
Akala ko ikaw yan, oh.
Ay, hindi ako yan.
Akala ko kanina eh, parang hawig kayo eh.
Hindi.
Sige, tol, salamat ah.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not...
Hello, tol. Nice. Ayos. Sige, bye. Okay lang. Yun, thank you. Bye. Ayun. Anong pangalan mo, ate?
Casey po.
Casey. Shout out kay ate Casey.
Hello.
Thank you, bye.
Naman, ano daw ako kasi?
Ipapost ko. Post ko rin sa Facebook ko, ah.
Wala, legit.
That's suspicious.
Bakit rin ba yun?
Nagpaparami kasi ako ng subscribers. Tapos, ano. Yun. Thank you. Yun lang, thank you. Ingat. Sama ko kayo sa vlog ko.
Bye.
Bye. Have a great time.
Ito ugali na.
Hello? Hello?
Oh my god! What is that?
Oh.
Alam na ako.
Hello?
You the boy, you can cuddle with me all night. Give me one, let me long, be my sunlight. Send me lies, we can argue, we can fight. Yeah, we did it before, but we'll do it tonight. Yeah, that broke black boy with the gold teeth. Dark skin, looking at me like you know me. I wonder if you got the G or the B. Let me find out and see you coming over to me. These days are way too lonely. I'm missing out, I know. These days are way too long, and I'm not forgiving, love away, but